Alright YouTube, here it is again. Very. Don't mind the crackness, that crackness right there that happened. I want to be a prime example to all of you that want to ride without insurance. You will get pulled over. Your bike will be taken and taken to an impound. My bike was taken from me and taken to an impound. And while in the impound, they dropped it. They dropped and cracked my whole blinker off. So this is a prime example. If any of you decide you want to get into motorcycling, do not ride without insurance. Your bike will be taken. This is my 1999 Yamaha R1 YZF. I'm not going to the back because I actually have my license plate, and you're not supposed to show your license plate when you're making YouTube content or TikTok content, because people can actually track you down using your license plate number. So I'm actually not going to put my license plate in this video, but I just want to show y'all the 1999 Yamaha R1 YZF. Let me do a quick startup for y'all so y'all can see. Gotta do this with two hands. Okay, so that's her. Sometimes these R1s are stubborn to start. If y'all wondering what that is, that's from the heat from when I first got it back from being stolen. It haven't been ran in so long, so it was running super lean, so it was getting very hot very quick. I have not gotten the seat yet. I have not fixed anything yet. I know I said that I would by now, but I did not. So if you want to see the upgrades and the fixing of this bike, keep tuned. Peace.